Ever wondered why your skin never glows, no matter what you do? I feel you. For years, I struggled with dullness, breakouts, and just mess skin. I thought I was doing everything right, but I was skipping some crucial steps, and my skin definitely paid the price. Today, I am sharing the 15 skincare rules I ignored that completely transformed my skin once I finally started following them. Let's start with the basics. Number 1. Cleansing twice a day. You think washing your face once is enough? Think again. Especially in cities like Nairobi or Kisumu, the pollution and grime can seriously clog your pores, even overnight. In the morning, you need to wash off sweat and oil. At night, it's all about removing makeup, sunscreen, and the day's dirt. Always use lukewarm water to avoid stripping your skin's natural oils. Skipping this can trigger dullness faster than you think. I know so many busy office goers in Mombasa who skip their night cleanse, and it's a recipe for disaster. Second, using a toner. This simple step preps your skin for everything else. After cleansing, your skin's pH can be a bit off. A good toner brings it back into balance, removes any last traces of impurities, and gets your skin ready to absorb the serums and moisturizers that follow. In our tropical climate, make sure you avoid alcohol-heavy toners that can be too drying. Most people apply toner like it's optional, but trust me, it's the unsung hero of any good skincare routine. Third on my list is moisturizing daily. And yes, even if you have oily skin, you need this. Don't skip it. Proper hydration is key to preventing premature aging and fine lines. Think about it, our skin is constantly battling the heat outside and the dry air from air-conditioned offices. A good moisturizer locks in hydration and all the active ingredients from your other products. You can choose a lightweight one for hot, humid days and something a bit richer for cooler weather. I seriously wish I had learned this before my first wrinkles appeared. Number 4, and this is a big one, applying sunscreen. Yes, even if you work indoors all day. UVA and UVB rays are no joke, and they are the main culprits behind pigmentation and sun-induced wrinkles. In a tropical climate, SPF 30 is the absolute minimum you should be using. And if you're outdoors, you have to reapply every 2 to 3 hours. I used to skip this all the time, and I can literally see the difference. It's why some of my colleagues' skin looks decades younger than mine did. Next up, number 5, exfoliating regularly. This isn't just about getting smooth skin, it's about skin health. Exfoliating removes the buildup of dead skin cells, which in turn promotes cellular renewal and helps your other products penetrate better. With city air making our skin more sensitive, I recommend gentle chemical exfoliants. But be careful, over-exfoliating can be even worse than not doing it at all. This one mistake left my T-zone looking congested for months. The 6th rule is the secret step I never applied at night, until I finally did, using a nightly serum with active ingredients. This is where the magic happens. While you sleep, your skin is in repair mode. Using a serum with ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, or hyaluronic acid can supercharge that process. They can target specific concerns like dark spots or fine lines. Just be careful not to mix certain actives, like retinol and strong acids, without consulting a professional. I'm not kidding, I saw a difference in my skin's texture and brightness in just 1 week. It was truly shocking. Rule number 7 is about lip and eye care. If you neglect these areas, the signs of aging will scream from here first. The skin around your eyes is so delicate. Apply a good eye cream morning and night, using a gentle patting motion, never rub. And don't forget an SPF lip balm to protect your lips from the tropical sun. This routine helps reduce dark circles, puffiness, and you'll notice a dramatic improvement in your smile lines. Let's talk about weekly face masks. This is rule number 8. It's not just pampering, it's maintenance. A weekly mask can give your skin a concentrated boost of what it needs, whether that's hydration, detoxification, or brightening. Clay masks are great for oily skin, while something like a honey mask is amazing for dry skin. They are perfect for helping to remove excess sebum and pollutants from city life. Plus, the ritual is so relaxing and can reduce stress-induced breakouts. The first time I tried a detoxifying clay mask in Kisumu after a dusty week, my glow was instantly restored. Number 9 is something we all know but often forget, drinking enough water. The glow truly comes from the inside out. Water hydrates your skin cells from within, flushes out toxins, and helps limit puffiness and dullness. Your intake should adjust based on the heat and humidity. I used to think my moisturizer was doing all the work, but I was so wrong. You can't replace internal hydration. Rule number 10 is that your skin reflects what's on your plate. A healthy diet is non-negotiable for great skin. Make sure you're eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. In Kenya, we're blessed with amazing produce like avocados and fresh fish from the coast. Both are fantastic for your skin. Limiting processed sugar is also a game changer, especially for acne-prone skin in the city. I never realized my diet could clear my skin faster than any cream I was buying. Rule 11 is a simple one, but so many of us are guilty of it: avoid sleeping with makeup on. This one lazy habit cost me weeks of clear skin. When you sleep with makeup, it clogs your pores and can lead to major breakouts. It also traps pollution against your skin. A quick swipe of micellar water or a cleansing balm takes less than a minute. Even a short night out without cleansing adds up over time. Number 12 is about stress management. Stress shows up on your skin, and it's pretty unavoidable in modern city life. Think about the pressure of corporate life in Nairobi. High cortisol levels can trigger hormonal breakouts. Finding ways to de-stress, like meditation, yoga, or even just a few minutes of deep breathing, can make a huge difference. A calming night routine can also help. I never connected my tension headaches to my skin breakouts before, but once I started managing my stress, both improved. Rule 13, get quality sleep. Beauty sleep is not a myth, it's science. Your body, including your skin, does most of its repair work while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. To improve your sleep quality, try to avoid screens before bed, as the blue light can mess with your body's natural rhythm. I made a real effort to improve my sleep for just 1 week, and I woke up to skin that actually glowed. 14 is about seeking professional advice. Regular dermatologist checkups can prevent long-term damage. A professional can help you catch early signs of pigmentation or aging and give you tailored recommendations for your specific skin type and our climate. This prevents you from wasting money and time on the wrong products. Remember, even the most natural routines can fail without the right professional guidance. And finally, rule number 15, the one that ties it all together: consistency above all. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. Skipping your routine occasionally is fine, we're all human. But skipping it forever is costly. Stick to your routine, adapt it to your lifestyle, and track the changes you see. Celebrate the small wins. Being consistent with these steps is what made my skin look 10 years younger in just 6 months. These 15 steps completely transformed my skin after years of skipping the basics. In my next video, I'll reveal the single daily habit that keeps your skin radiant even in hot, humid city climates. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.